last question po dito po sa solutions of right triangle. The question is find the value of, base po sa video na to. A, angle B, side C, tsaka yung area. So, actually, iba to sa yung combination kasi angle A at tsaka tsaka side B. So, iba siya sa combination ng example 1, 2, at tsaka 3. So, okay. Ganito. Pagka ganito po, talagang hindi po muna pwede initially yung Pythagorean theorem kasi unknown yung dalawang side. Instead, pagka ganito po, sa simula, ang kailangan gamitin talaga yung trigonometric function. Therefore, pwede nating makuha yung C o yung hypotenuse. Sa magitan ng cosine of 10.95 degrees equals to adjacent side is 24 over hypotenuse of C. Therefore, ito pwede natin pagpalitin yung position. Ang mangyari po ay C equals to 24 over cosine of 16.95. Therefore, C equals to 24 over yan yung cosine of 16.95. Sabi dito is 0.9565. So, lalabas ay 24. yung value ng C. So, since dalawa na yung value ng side, therefore, pwede natin i-apply yung Pythagorean theorem para makakuha yung A. A equals the square root of C o the hypotenuse squared minus yung isang side is B squared. Yan po ay 25 squared minus 24. The power of 2A. Ay, sasayin natin 625 and 24. 576. Ang kakalabasan ay 49. Therefore, yung value ng A is equals to 7. Kasi perfect square din yung 49. Okay na yung dalawang side. So, yung isang angle na lang, B, madali nang hanapin Kasi, tatlo lang naman sila Tapos yung total angle ng triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, B equivalent to 180 minus 90 minus 16.95 degrees. Ang labasan ay 16 point equivalent to 73.05 degrees. Pwede naman ma-check ito Kung talagang 180, 90 plus 16 plus 73, tama, 180 talaga Therefore, correct to. And yung last, yung letter D, yung area. So, pagka right triangle, ang formula niya is 1/2 times the product of its legs. A and B was to 1/2. What is A? A is 7 times B is 24. For ito, magiging 12 Therefore, A, 12 times 7 is 84 square units. Para mas pakasigurado tayo na tama to, sagutan natin sa ibang paraan. Pamamagitan ng Heron's formula. Kasi even naman lahat ng side. Therefore, area equals square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Therefore, S A plus B plus C over 2 equals 2A is 25 plus 24. Kasi 25 plus 24 plus 7 divided 2. Kung mangyari po ay S equals 2. Isasaya na natin para sigurado. 56 divided 2. What's 28? Parang mali tama, 28. 28 times 2, tama, 56. Therefore, papasok lang natin doon. Area equals to 28. 28 minus 25 is 3. Malinaw eh. And 28 minus 24 is 4. And 28 minus 7, 21. Okay, area equals to square root of. Kasi natin, medyo malaki ito 28 times 12 times 21, 7,056. Therefore, area. Wala na to kasi papalabasin na natin yun eh. Square root of 7,056. Tama-tama 84 square unit. Therefore, nakakatsak talaga tayo na tama itong answer na to kasi sinagutan natin sa ibang paraan. Therefore, mamaya po papasok na tayo sa tinatawag na oblique solution of oblique triangle. Thank you po, salamat.